Wow, the crypto market is in blood. Only some few coins are doing well against Bitcoin. You can see here on crypto bubbles, we have some few coins doing well against Bitcoin on the daily time frame. We have PAX, ZALT, FTN, USD, Pi, Leo, DAI. I mean, maybe most of these coins that are doing well, most of them are even um, stable coins. Okay, if we look at the top 200 coins, you're gonna see also that there's some few here doing well today. Peanut is actually up. Actually, let me refresh this. I'm actually not sure. Okay, peanut is actually up to 20%, but let's just look at this based on USDT value. That's USD value. Today peanut is up 6%, but everything else is in red against USDT and against Bitcoin. We have some few that are doing well today against Bitcoin. So like peanuts and the rest are doing well. So in today's video, actually, what I want us to elaborate or what I want us to discuss is what are the best altcoins out there to buy right now. I'm not gonna be giving you guys names of altcoins to buy. I'm gonna give you guys what you should see in that altcoins before you buy it, or to give you that go ahead to want to buy that altcoins. Of course, we're gonna do some analysis on some altcoins that we are holding, but generally, what I'm gonna discuss here on this video will guide you on buying any altcoin out there that is going to be doing well. I mean, depending on what Bitcoin will do. And these altcoins I'm buying right now, most of them I already bought them already. Like I already bought them, because I am anticipating a huge reversal from where we are right now. I'm going to explain to you guys why I say so. If you are new on this platform, you are watching the BETONG Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help you understand what goes on in this brutal crypto landscape. I talk about market structure, support and resistance when I'm buying and when I'm selling. So if this sort of content interests you, you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Oh boy, the crypto market, I mean, is like just when we were thinking, okay, Trump tweeted and we're gonna see a huge pump with cryptocurrency, but that wasn't the case. Okay, Trump tweet, on Truth Social, took Bitcoin to hit this um 50-day moving average. And if you trade with me or if you follow my channel, then you know that these are all key areas whenever you are investing or trading any coin in the space. I talk about this is a chart. I've talked about this a couple of times. I told you guys that if Bitcoin is not able to hold this level, yeah, then there's high chances we are going to revisit this other liquidity here at 70 or 71, or let's just say from the 70 price point zone right above. Okay, so this is a zone I'm expecting price to break from, or to actually bounce from heavily. But now, why do I think this should be the zone for price to bounce from? Okay, look at market structure. Okay, market structure hasn't yet been tested properly. After this huge move to the upside on the weekly time frame, the next thing price should do is to retest structure and fill most of these gaps here. These gaps, these gaps have to be filled. So there's still high chances that the market makers can bring price back to this level. Now, for us to confirm this, I want to say this over and over again to you guys. Always make sure you bring in the fib too. You pluck it from where the move started to the top of that move. Where what you're looking at is this golden pocket. You see, we already marked the golden pocket here, and the golden pocket is at around 71.96 the K dollars. Yeah, 71. Let me just say $72,000. Okay. Now, if we have to be honest with ourselves, following market structure on whatever time frame we are trading in or we are investing in, for us to get the best opportunity buying any coin out there, we have to make sure that price have gotten to our key areas, our key zone. And in this case, this is a key zone. So as it stands on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is still bullish, even though we are seeing this minor retracement down here, and price has recovered at least this vector. I've called this like on multiple times on my platform, but it seems as if some of you don't pay attention. You just want to fall in love with your coins, with the coins you are holding. You think keep pumping to the upside. Oh, it won't stop pumping. It's just gonna be going up, 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 up. It won't stop. Printing you gains. But guys, you lie, because the world I come from, where I came from, crypto is a wild, wild west. And if you want to make the most out of it, you have to make sure you are following or you are doing the right thing at the right time. And the right thing at the right time means you understand TA and you are buying coins at key levels and you are selling at key levels. So now, looking at the chart of Bitcoin, guys, I have to show you guys. I have to show you this before we go to the altcoins setup, because this is a setup that I'm trying to show you guys right now. We're gonna look at these altcoins on a daily time frame, and the ones that are gonna pass our test, we're gonna actually get some of them. Of course, I've already gotten some of it already, but I'm talking about you guys who are still looking for something to buy. Now, I will argue that this sharp move to the downside already created a zone where price want to move towards, and this is going to be around $78,000. I think so. Yeah, $78,000. So we can still see a downtrend right up to this $78, $78,000, or maybe price is gonna come here, around this $70,000 price point. Okay, now talking about this structure, like these vectors here, which hasn't been recovered, let's just go to any altcoin out there. Let's take Ethereum for that matter. Let's analyze Ethereum on the weekly time frame. Let's see why is Ethereum doing what Ethereum is doing. Okay, so let's zoom out on Ethereum and bring in the FIB 2 from here. Let's just begin from down here, from this move down to the top of that move. What are you seeing with Ethereum? Ethereum just hit the golden pocket today, like it just hit it exactly as it should be. This other movement here didn't come straight to the golden pocket, it just hover around the golden pocket. But this movement here has hit the golden pocket. Now, this is what you need to understand with Ethereum. Looking at this structure with Ethereum can go right down to $1,546,000. Trust me, we can see Ethereum do this. And this is a weekly time frame. Talking about market structure, okay? If you must buy Ethereum, this should be the zone you start buying Ethereum, like loading up on Ethereum. I have been loading up on Ethereum on this time frame. So this should be the zone you want to be looking at buying more of this bad boy. And if you're not looking at buying Ethereum here, then I don't know where you want to buy Ethereum again. It's crazy. Trust me. I'm going to show you guys multiple stuff, for you to understand what I'm trying to say. So we have established this zone here on Ethereum. Now, let's go to Bitcoin again, and see where we are based on market structure. Okay? Let's plug again from this downside. I'm going to do it multiple ways. Let's plug it from here first. The top side. This is the FIB 2, and we are looking at 50K. So looking at this move to the upside, there's still high chances that they can bring Bitcoin price to 50K. I know most of you are going to be saying, no, it cannot happen. Guys, these people don't care about you. All they do care about is their money. They want to make money. That's what they care about. So if they see liquidity, they can go and grab that liquidity. Okay, but now looking at the fact that we have gotten more adoption with Bitcoin, let's just assume that there's going to be a strong zone here to break. This zone should be a strong zone, a strong support zone to break. Okay, so we have to plug it from here, exactly what I did earlier, from here to the top side, and we are looking at the golden pocket. So it means that if we have to compare what has happened with Ethereum and Bitcoin, why do you think they cannot bring price here? Bitcoin around 71K. What makes you think they might not bring price there. And what makes you think also that if they bring price here, it means that Bitcoin is dead? So, guys, once we are already in this zone on this time frame, then the possibility to bring price here back to retest the key level where price was holding in the past. Look, this was a key level in the past. This was the all-time high of Bitcoin in the past. Okay, and Bitcoin just break this zone like that, poof, to the upside. Why won't price come to retest this zone again? And if price comes to retest this zone, why will you say Bitcoin is dumping? This is the rule of TA. If you understand TA, then you should always be preparing yourself. When you see price like this, and you know that Bitcoin is the one that moves the market. When Bitcoin is here, you are preparing yourself that altcoins might dump as well. Because if Bitcoin is here, and altcoins can dump with Bitcoin, depending on what goes on in the market. If you see Bitcoin break structure down here, you know this should be the target. If you see it break up, you know maybe it's gonna go and make more higher highs. Then you are making your decision, anticipating what Bitcoin might do. Let's go to Solana. Let's see whether Solana is at a buy zone. Let's do the same analysis with Solana. Let's first of all plug the Fib tool from the bottom of this move to the top of that move, right? And where are we? This is the golden pocket. The golden pocket is a very important zone if, say, price want to retrace back to key levels and then we reset to start making the next move to the upside. Okay, so far as we are above the golden pocket, guys, we are still bullish with Solana. Now, there are still high chances that Solana can come right down to this price point to around, let me just mark this from the previous move. So let me just bring in the volume profile to give us more perspective on what we might expect with Solana from where we are right now. So looking at the volume profile, this is what we should expect for Solana. Solana price can go right down to this price point to around, let's say, around $93, and it's $93 for $95. Why? Because we had price huge demand and supply here around this zone. That if we see a huge dip with Solana, then there's high chances that Solana is gonna come right down towards this area. But you can see also that this volume profile gave us this zone. So from here to this area should be that perfect zone where we can start getting more of Solana. But of course, if you see Solana break this zone here, this area around the 111 or $120, then there's high chances that Solana can go right down to this $77 or $86. So can we say that Solana is at a buy zone looking at this right now? Of course, yes. This is a buy zone for Solana. Until Solana break this structure, then you are waiting for price to, reverse from it. Now, let me tell you guys something or let me give you guys a tips on how price move. Let's say price is gonna come here, right? You buy, okay? The best zone to buy is here. Why? Because if price is gonna break and go down here, the next zone that price is gonna reverse to is here. Okay, and if price reverse there, price gonna reject from there because before that zone it was acting as support, and now if say price breaks below, it's gonna act as resistance. So you can cash out. You can break even if price get there and you cash out, waiting for price to break above, then retest it, then you buy again. This is how price move. Okay, look at most chart out there. You can see that price does this often. Okay, now looking at this structure for Solana, what can you say to yourself? Can you look at Solana in the same way you are looking at Bitcoin? Of course, yes, because what Bitcoin is doing is pulling down most of this altcoin. So if Bitcoin is going to pull right down here, then Solana or the other coins I've just shown you guys are going to pull down towards their own key levels that we mark here, looking at this analysis. Okay, we can pick any other random coin. Let's just pick SRP and do analysis on SRP. Let's see what this bad boy holds. Guys, this is one of my best charts in the world. Okay, now most of you are going to be thinking maybe SRP is going to go up. No. I bet you. SRP price is not sustainable on the weekly time frame. Okay. Now let's do the same analysis here and plug in our key zones. From where we are right now to the top of that zone, you can see where we are. Where is the golden pocket? This is the golden pocket. We should at least come around this area for SRP, and if possible, we should see SRP goes to $1.11. Anyone who is buying SRP here is stupid. Why should you buy SRP here? You can buy Bitcoin, yeah, but I don't see any reason why you're gonna buy SRP there. Up here, just to allow it come right down here. And those who were SRP, should I say, bulls, think that SRP price can never go above that. But guys, this zone is exactly in correspondence to what price have done in the past. Price rejected, yeah. So there's high chances that price will not revisit this zone. We can still argue that price already came there, like this week, yeah. Price already came here, you can see. So we can still argue that SRP already made that move to the downside, but SRP need to go and retest that zone again, at least before make the next move to the upside. And we can confirm this more on the lower time frame to see what price has been doing. Look at this move here. Price has formed this M formation. Look at this. It's pretty awesome to see how price behave. Like this should go down here. Okay. Now, whenever you are investing in a coin, okay, you should mark key levels. This is the first key level you're marking. When you see a coin make a huge move like this, you mark these key levels. Okay. And if you see that coin break above that level and come back here, like retest other key levels, in this case in SRP, this was the zone that price was holding, this zone. Price came back there and reject, went back up and reject, came back here and reject, went back up there and reject. So what do you think price is preparing to do? Of course, come to this 1.603 price point. That's what I think price is attempting to do. Okay, and if possibly, price can go right down to 1.11, this zone. So what you want to see in coins when you are buying them, or that's going to help you to buy, is simple. Look at where price reject from. For in this case, you need to this is Fala. You can plug in your FIB2 this time around from the top, the bottom of that move, because I think this should be the bottom of this move. You are looking at the same scenario here to cash out profit. When price hits either of these zones, you start cashing out profit, 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 profit. Then you allow it to breathe a little bit. This is how you should approach any coin out there. And the best coins that you're going to be investing in are going to be the coins that are showing you guys this signal. So the best altcoins that you should be buying right now are altcoins that are showing strength, that have strength in the market, and they move alongside Bitcoin. Okay? So hopefully this content was helpful to you. And I want to believe you can use this content to make some gains in the market and enjoy the ride to the upside. As for me, I think that looking at current price action, the US market is going to open soon. Let's just go to lower time frame and then analyze this sheet. Let's see where we are right now on the lower time frame. Okay, Bitcoin has taken this huge dip to the downside. Okay, and now we are at this level here. What I expect price to do is at least reverse from here. And if price reverse from there, let's just see the target if say that's going to be the case. Okay, I bring in my FIB2, plug it from here to this downside. So I think the next move that we're going to see price go to is around $86,000, and from there it can go right up to 90K. Now let's go to the liquidation heat map. The liquidation heat map, let's see if this is in correspondence to the liquidation heat map. Now let's go to the daily time frame on the liquidation heat map. Let's see if say we're gonna get the same information that we got from the chart. Okay, yeah, you can see clearly we have more liquidity here around 90K, but we have some here around 93K, but we have more above here 87 and around 90K. So they can push price down to around 80K, then just skyrocket it back to around 90K. So that's what I'm looking at. For the next 24 hours, I think this is gonna happen. Okay, that's why I got some of those altcoins already. All right. So that's it for today's video, guys. If it was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content to help you make amazing gains in the space, you wanna go right now and smash a subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Having said all this good stuff, guys, make sure you take care of yourself. And again, before I go, if you want to join my free Telegram group, the links are found below this video. Go there and connect with me.